how to change cursor in Roblox. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our desktop right here. And then after that, open your browser. And then on the search bar, just search for Sweezy cursors, which is right here. And then after that, just click enter. Once you're now here, just click the first link that will pop up on your screen. You will be redirected right here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to just scroll down right here and then just look for the cursor that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use the Roblox cursor. So just search for Roblox and then just look for the cursor that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want this. So what we're going to do is to download this and then click cursor for Roblox and then click pointer for Roblox. So we've downloaded that. So what we're going to do is to open the file. So it is right here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go back right here on our desktop and then on the Roblox player, just right click on it and then click open file location. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click on the content and then textures. So open that. And then on these cursors, just click that also and then click keyboard mouse. And then on this part, you will not be able to see the cursor, which is right here. So what we're going to do next is to go back into this part. So what we're going to do is to rename this into, let's say, for example, arrow cursor. And then for the other one, arrow far cursor. And then, of course, you should rename this so that you can use this if you want to once again. So I'm going to name this old. And then what we're going to do is to just drag this one right here into this part. And then in this part, we're going to do is to delete this. And then once it is done, that is what it looks like. So what we're going to do is to see if it is now working. So double click on your Roblox player. And as you can see right here, we've now actually changed the cursor. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to change cursor in Roblox.